Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Rumble. Let's see how we can verify our Rumble account. So the first thing you need to do once you have your Rumble or you sign up or registering for Rumble, you want to make money from Rumble, you need to verify your account. Or else you can just upload as many as possible videos and you never get paid from it. So let's get started with it. So come here at the top right where is our profile icon, just like YouTube. So you don't need to be worried about being a first timer on Rumble because it's similar to YouTube, just like a copy and paste. So click on account settings, then you come to this section. Once you're here, you see verification. This is not like the verification badge and the likes. This is completely different. So click on verification. Then you say check, let's read what it says here. Account status not verified. Some features may be limited and unavailable. Uploading videos and use live stream will be unavailable. Make money, which is the main thing here. So you won't be able to make money from it. So let's verify our accounts first. So you put our phone number here. So this is just going to be a demo for this Rumble. This is not my main Rumble. So I'm looking for a phone number I can use. Okay, there we have it. So we say mobile, you can choose to either receive a call or just a text message. I'll say text message. So the code would be sent to my phone. Okay, I got a code. Let's put it in. Let's punch it 7576. All right, verified. Okay, so we all have all our greens. Now we can now put in, let's say, upload videos, vote for videos and comments, leave comments on videos and all that. We can now do almost everything. So this is just a quick way for you to verify your Rumble account. I hope this helped you. If it did, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Armin Foop, and I'll say bye for now.